multicollinearity is an important problem, which means that you are using exactly similar kind of trading indicators, and due to the same nature of those indicators you are getting the false signal from one or more indicators. Majorly there are four categories of indicators as the momentum indicators, trend indicators, volume indicators, and chart studies indicators. If you use all the momentum indicators, some of them may give you the false signals. So instead of using all same kind of indicators, you should use the indicators which are complementary in nature. If we go and see a particular chart, you will identify that the trend of this particular stock price is downside. But at the same time, if you see the RSI chart here, you can easily think that the price is in the region of oversold position, because RSI below 30 is considered as oversold position. And whenever there's an oversold position, you may think that when it comes back to 30 point or 30 level, you may think that now it's time to buy. But at the same time, the trend is downside, so this is the declining price. Also, if you see the stochastic chart, you will see the stochastic chart is showing that the blue line is crossing over the red line, as you can see here. So you can see that this is also giving a buy signal, as you can see in this area. But exactly this is not the buy signal. However, CCI index is giving you the right direction. So when you are using the three similar kind of indicators together, these are not supporting and complementing each other, but these are giving the misleading or false indications for your purchasing signals. So instead of that, what you can do, you can use signals or the indicators which are complementary in nature. Firstly, if you see, I have used three indicators. One is our super trend, next is RSI, and the next is MACD, that is moving averages, convergence and divergence. Now if you see that whenever you are having an RSI above 50, this reflects that there is a bullish market, this bullish trend is going to continue. So this area is above 50, as you know, so this is reflecting that the prices are going to rise. At the same time, MACD chart is also reflecting, as the blue line is above the red line, this is reflecting that there is a trending market and upside trend is there. So price is increasing in this case also. And in the case of super trend, you can see that the chart is reflecting a green line, and the green line is reflecting a bullish market again. So using the indicators together which complement each other, which support each other, is an essential thing, because the false signal may be there, and to avoid those false signals you should know which indicators to use along with other indicators so as to get the complementary benefits of the directional trading.